Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure language learning reviews with Quizlet reviews step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Quizlet account. If you don't have one, create a free account at Quizlet.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Create tab. Select Study Set to start a new language learning review set. Enter a title relevant to the language or topic you're focusing on. Then, add a description to clarify the purpose of the review set. Next, input the vocabulary words or phrases you want to include. For each term, add a corresponding definition or translation. Use images or audio clips if available to enhance understanding. After inputting all terms, choose the appropriate language setting. Preview your study set to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, click Create to save the set. Now, share the study set with friends or fellow learners. You can share via a direct link or through social media. Encourage your peers to review and use the study set. Ask them for feedback on the effectiveness of the content. Make any necessary adjustments based on their suggestions. Consider creating additional sets for different topics or levels. Engaging with others can enhance the learning experience. Regularly update your study sets for continual improvement. Track the progress of users through Quizlet's analytics. Use this data to refine your future sets further. By following these steps, you can effectively secure language learning reviews using Quizlet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.